Okay, this video is sent from my customer who has done this retrofit job for his E60 2020 before facelift. The car comes without this AGA button. Now we have installed this new AGA button. Left side controls the exhaust, etc. Right side controls the driving mode, and the center screen is now it's a touch screen, so we can use our fingers to swipe. Right, we have implement this AMG Track Pace drag race, yeah, and also telemetry, and some apps, Track Pace apps. You can install them, play around. Yeah, the car image goes change to the E63 also, the new type. Yeah, this is a full screen navigation system. Yeah. Now let's take a look at this driving mode changing, how it goes. Yeah, now it's comfort. We change to sport, change to sport plus, change to race mode. Yeah, this is a race mode. This is originally it's a E63s, so it comes with the race mode. Okay, this Dragonfly steering wheel and airbag all retrofitted. Yes. Yeah, the touch control on the steering wheel all working. Volume down, volume up, right? All perfect. Yeah, this left side is control the instrument cluster. Yeah, the main menu over here. You can see the chip, radio, media, display and design. Yeah, the AMG performance menu, navigation, phone, assistance. Yeah, this car comes with driving assistance system. Now this navigation map has the full screen map view, right? You can see full screen map view over the instrument cluster, which is much nicer than the previous version. Yeah. This button controls the below button controls the Distronic and a steering wheel assist, etc. Yeah, this is a trip meter. Yeah, we can see from here all the buttons are on the panel. Actually, this is a pre-facelift model. The facelift model, if you have driving assist, don't have those 5 buttons. This piece also we changed from the rotary knob to the complete touchpad, and the facelift model also don't have the IWC clock. Yeah, this is a mileage showing clearly. Okay, we go to setting. You can see all the vehicle settings, lights, right? And we go to system, check all the license. Activation, yes, all unlimited and valid. Okay. Yeah, we go to the AMG menu in the instrument cluster. This is standard AMG menu. You can see the performance, torque, horsepower, and also this driving mode settings. In this menu, we can see when we change the driving mode, in the center instrument cluster, all the settings will change accordingly. You can see that, right? This is the aircon menu inside the MBUX. So you can use a touchscreen to control the airflow, the fan, the temperature, including this air quality, ionization, and air freshener. Yeah, we also changed the Type-C USB port inside the armrest compartment. And as you can see, this is a Type-C now, no more USB-A. It's a Type-C, not Type-A. Okay, that's it. Surely Apple CarPlay and Android Auto all working well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.